on Terumah Perek Vav Mishnah Bet, the second Mishnah in the 6th chapter of Terumah. And we're going to continue our discussion about somebody who accidentally ate Terumah. So, if you recall, you know what, let's do this at the beginning. If you have any comments or questions, which you might have, people sometimes send me emails, rspolter@gmail.com. I'm dedicated to learning to the memory of my father, Rav Simcha ben Yitzchak Kalman, once you're here anyway. We saw in the Psukim the following. Ish ki ochal kodesh bishgaga. If a person eats by accident, he has to add a chomesh. He has to give a chomesh. We learned that in the first Mishnah. But we also learned a bat kohen, right? When she gets married, then she can't eat kachim. But obviously, a bat Yisrael who marries a Kohen, similarly, she then does get to eat. She does get to eat truma because she's ishto kagufo. She can eat like her husband. She's an extension of her husband. So it says the Mishnah, Bat Yisrael, what if she's a Jewish young girl? She'achla truma, she ate truma b'shogeg. Okay? Ve'achar kach nisei l'kohen. And then she got married to a Kohen. So who does she have to pay? Meaning she's now the extension of the Kohen. Im truma shelo zacha b'kohen achla. If there was truma that she had designated, i.e. she said, okay, this grain is truma, but she didn't give it to anybody, then Mishalemet Karen V'chomesh Natzma, she could just take chulin that she owns, say this is truma, and give it to herself, because she now is the Kohen, she can pay herself. But V'im truma shezacha b'kohen achla, let's say she took the truma and she gave it to the Kohen, and then things got mixed up and she accidentally ate it. So she stole it, it's like you steal food from somebody. Then Mishalemet Karen the Baalim. Remember, the Karen, the original truma, the Karen, she has to pay to the owners, but the chomesh, the additional fifth she has to pay to her is a knas, it's a fine. The chomesh la'atzma, the fine she pays to herself. She takes chulin on a fifth, the additional fifth, or a quarter now. Remember we said a fifth from the total amount, and then she pays to herself. Why? The Chazal said, truma shogeg. If you eat truma by accident, unintentionally, mishalem keren the ba'alim, you pay truma, you pay the keren to the ba'alim, to the owner, to the original kohen. Okay, and the Bartunera says kedin gozel chaviro, like a person who stole from his friend. You pay the additional fifth to anyone that you want, and this is the case. So she ends up paying the fifth to herself because she has to pay the fine. She has to pay the fine for eating truma as a Bat Yisrael, and she can't pay herself because she took it from another Kohen. But the chomesh is a fine she pays to any Kohen that she wants, and that happens to be her. Have a great day.